So usually when people talk about skincare, especially women, they talk about from the neck up, they talk about their face and all that. But I think skincare should cover the whole skin. Your skin is the largest organ in your body. So if you're talking about your skincare, it should start from the crown of your head to the sole of your feet. So today I'll be paying special attention on body care. How do you take care of your body from the neck down? And most importantly, how do you get yourself to smell fresh all day? The first step to proper body care and the first step to smelling good all day long is getting clean. You can't be dirty and smell good. And so work on getting your skin clean. And the way to do it is with a proper shower routine. So I'm going to sit down today and talk you through it. First is your shower gel. Personally, I love shower gel. I know some people love using bar soap, but why I stopped using bar soap and switched to shower gel, one, shower gel is not as drying as bar soap. So if you're someone with dry skin or sensitive skin, you might want to switch over to shower gel. And I also think the shower gel is more hygienic, especially if you're sharing it with some other person. Bar soap, you don't even want to begin to imagine what the other person did with the bar soap or where they have put it in, because some people are just nasty and you don't want to do that. So if you're in a living situation where you share the bathroom and your body care products with other people, I recommend a shower gel with a dispenser. So first, I have this from She Aromatherapy. This one is their shower gel with vitamin C. The good thing about this, it smells so good, but it also has that added benefit of vitamin C, which is good for a brightening and glowing skin. This is so good. One thing with me, I love a shower gel that smells good, but I don't want something that is overpowering. Okay, you want to Another key to smelling nice is building your scent profile. So you want to gradually build it up to when you apply your perfume. Start with something with a subtle scent in your shower gel, and this is the perfect one. This is what I use for my spring shower routine, and it's so good. I have this one from Dove. Dove also makes affordable and very lovely shower gel. One is one of the ones I like. I've used a few from Dove over the years, but I keep coming back to this. And the latest one in my collection is this. This is the coconut and vanilla body wash, the one I'm using during the summer because it just reminds me of a tropical destination. So grab something within your budget and use that. Bonus point if it has an active ingredient like vitamin C, salicylic acid, or retinol. Very good. Next is a washcloth or an African nest sponge or a glove exfoliator. You just take your shower gel and you lather it into this nest sponge or into this glove sponge or into your washcloth. Especially, I would recommend washcloth if you have sensitive skin, because some of these, if you don't use them gently, they can be harsh. But if you don't have any problem with them, just use them. I don't have any problem with them. You don't need to scrub so hard. Just use it gently over your skin, your underarm, your back. Some of you are not washing your back, and get down to your leg and your feet. This whole argument about do you wash your leg or do you let the water run down on your feet? Honestly, I don't even know how it started. Please wash your leg. Bend down and wash your leg. And if you can't bend down, get a stool or something and get your leg elevated. But make sure you are washing your leg, please. We're not doing the whole let the water run down and cleanse you. No, no, no. We are washing our leg and we are washing our feet. We don't want to smell musty. Next is a good body scrub. Now you should be using a good body scrub 1 to 2 times a week. It's very important because yes, the shower gel and your bath soap will clean your skin, but you can still have dead skin lurking around. Pores can still get clogged and you can have bacteria hiding in there, which can make you to start smelling in a funny way. We don't want that. We want to exfoliate with a good body scrub. There are two I recommend for you today. I use them regularly and I love them. The first one is Dr. Teal's vitamin C with essential oil sugar body scrub. This is also okay. Bonus point, it has that vitamin C for brightening and a glowing skin. If you want something gentler, you can go with the Sanctuary Spa natural pumice body scrub. I love this one so much. Smells good, get the job done, and it will leave your body feeling silky smooth. Just put it in your hand, apply gently all over your body, especially your underarm. If you use deodorant, which we all should be using, yeah, I'm looking at you now. You should be using your antiperspirant or your deodorant, and I'll get to that shortly. But using this daily causes buildup under your arms. So you take that body scrub and you go under your arm. You go down on your legs, especially if you have a bit of strawberry legs, it will help unclog those pores and you don't have ingrown hair. You also get down to your feet, the ashy feet, the crusty feet. Yes, this is the time to scrub them away. It's good to book a pedicure appointment, but in between those appointments, you want to be using a body scrub on your feet. Next is when you step out of the shower. The next step is to add body lotion or moisturizer to your skin. You want to do this when your body is still about 30% wet. So I just damp my towel on my body, but it's still a bit moist before I add my body lotion. And you want to go for something very moisturizing and something with a bit of fragrance, not too much, not overpowering, but light. Here is a few that I've used that I love. First is this one. This one is the Cocoa Magic Coconut Shea Butter Body Lotion. I got this. Look at the size of that jar. I got it off TK Maxx. I love TK Maxx. They're very good with body care products. TK Maxx, call me. Call me, please. Call me. So this has coconut oil, it's very moisturizing. The fragrance is very light, so it's not overpowering, and I absolutely love it. Next one is the latest one I have. This is the Mango Body Lotion. This is so moisturizing and it smells like a good tropical cocktail, like a mango daiquiri or something. I just love it. It's giving me holiday vibes, which is why I'm using it during the summer. So get you something like this. And I love the fact that it has a dispenser, so it's not getting under my nails. So you just press it and it dispenses. Once again, very hygienic, especially if you're sharing your body lotion with someone. You don't want to have people putting their fingers into the body lotion. Just get one with a bottle and a dispenser. More hygienic, far more hygienic. Next is in building that scent profile and moisturizing your body. You want to go with a body oil. Oh, I love a good body oil. Apart from the glow, this will give you, especially this one, it has that light fragrance to it. So it's just mesmerizing. This one is the Aveeno Skin Relief Body Oil. Very moisturizing. I love it. And this is another one from Nature's Love. This one is their warm vanilla body oil. They will leave you glowing without feeling greasy, and they're not heavy on the skin, and they don't compete a lot with the other scent you have. This is just vanilla. Vanilla is like in the scent family, but it complements anything else you have going on. So I really love it. Next step after that should be your deodorant and antiperspirant. And I do this in two ways. I have this now. I'll start with this. This is an extra effective antiperspirant. So if you're someone that you sweat a lot during the day, you know, you're sweating through your shirt and it's leaving marks, perhaps it's time to upgrade to something stronger like this. But you have to use this only at night. I got this off Amazon. I use it at night 2 to 3 times a week, only at night. It doesn't smell really good, but it really enhances the performance of this one that I wear during the day. So this is Nivea Body Effect antiperspirant. Is really good. I love it because it doesn't leave white marks. So it's really good. And this one is Sure. This if I'm just at home or if I'm not going out for too long. So this three is what I have in rotation. You need it. You really, really need it. By the time you start sweating and the sweat is mixing up with the bacteria on your skin, oh my God, it is awful. The smell is awful. It's not just for you. I also think it's a matter of respect for the people around you. You don't want to walk into your office or get on a bus and people are, no, the stench comes in with you. You don't want to be that person. So show people a little bit of respect, show a bit of respect for yourself, and get you one of this. Next is another layer of fragrance. We're building up that scent profile because we want to be smelling good all day. We want freshness all day long. That's what we're going for. So I go for this body mist, just fragrance mist. This one is Britney Spears. It's the Fantasy Body Mist. You can just pick up one of these on Amazon. I know there are other brands that make just a fragrance mist like this. This is your first layer. After your deodorant or antiperspirant, you just spray this. I spray this just all over my body and a bit of it on my head, just generously. It doesn't last long, but it forms a good foundation. Got into my mouth. I shouldn't have. It doesn't last long, but it forms a good foundation for the perfumes you will use later. And talking about perfume, seriously, I think, see, that is perfume is expensive doesn't mean it's good, and doesn't mean it's good for you, honestly, because everyone, I know that the rave now is a Middle Eastern sense, the oud. Oh my God, everybody's wearing oud in the summer. Please, come on. I think this season calls for something light, something floral. That's what you should be going for. But yeah, just use a perfume that, will I say, matches your personality. Yeah. And when you're spraying your perfume, you don't have to empty the whole bottle in one day. I know you want people to smell you before they can see you, but come on now. You want us to know that you're wearing designer perfume. I know that, but let's be reasonable. Let's just be reasonable. That you're being excessive or heavy-handed with your perfume is not what will make you smell good. If you're not taking care of your hygiene, not cleaning your skin properly, what you're doing is just adding your expensive oud to the mustiness and bacterial on your skin, and it's horrible. Is a terrible combination. Don't do that. Now, other things you can do to make sure you're smelling good all day as a lady is also about your feminine hygiene. One thing I would suggest is that you get a panty liner. Yes, yes, yes. Down there, a lot of things can be going on. Yeah, a lot of things can be going on, especially the older you get. That pelvic floor, if you've not been working on it, trust me, is no longer as strong as it used to be. And you know what I mean. But this can save you, because if you have those tiny droplets on your panties and then you sit on it and go on all day, the wetness, the heat, the everything going on there. Do I need to spell it out? No, I don't think so. So get you one of these. This comes individually wrapped. You can put it in your bag. And if you feel you need a change, you just rip it out and put in a new one. It is one of the quickest way to freshen up yourself, just like that. If I love it for long haul flights. The tips I share today are some of the things that has made the biggest difference in my life. They help you smell good, they will help you stay clean, and they will also help you with skincare. And when I mean skincare, I mean every skin on your body, not just your face, not just your neck. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comment section things you do to make sure you smell good all day, your feminine hygiene tips and tricks. Share them in the comment section. Let's learn from each other as we navigate and figure out life together. I am your girl Chiki. This is Chiki's Word. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.